All right, so this is one other problem on multiplying 1 by 2 digits. This is a continuation because the other one will be cut off. So say on my interactive worksheet that pops up, say I have a new problem that says 25 times 50. You'll still have only one box here and multiple boxes on the bottom, and then another set of boxes at the very bottom. Still use this graphic organizer at home if you need to, or just fill it out on the computer. Okay, so then I'm going to start here at my 0 in the corner. So I do 0 times 5. 0 times 5 is 0, so my 0 goes here. Okay, now I do 0 times 2. 0 times 2, which gives me also 0. So there's nothing there to put. 0. Okay, so now this is done. I'm going to cross it off because I'm done with it. Okay, now I'm going to do my next number on the bottom and multiply this number by every single number on the top. So I do 5 times 5. 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is, I'll give you a second, you can pause it or look at your graph or your multiplication chart and find 5 times 5 or count by 5s. Okay, it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. My answer is 25 here. So this part I want you to pay attention to and where I'm placing things. So I got 5 times 5, which was 25. I am going to put my 5 down here, okay, but I'm going to carry my 2 because I don't want to put it here because I still have to do 5 times 2. So notice it didn't go down here. I carried it up here. I only brought my 5 here. I also didn't place it in this box because I'm done with this side. So I'm just going to put a 0 here because that's what it will ask you to do in that. So every single problem, like the last problem you saw before, I put a 0 here. There's always going to be a 0 in that corner because you're moving to work on this problem, okay? So now I've done 5 times 5, which gave me 25. So my 2's here and my 5's here to make 25, okay? Now I'm going to do 5 times 2 because I have to multiply this number by every number on the top. So 5 times 2, I'll give you a second to find that or pause it. Okay. 5 times 2 is 10. You can count by 5s by saying 5, 5, 10. So 10, but that's not all because I do 5 times 2 and I have to add what's still up here. So 5 times 2 plus 2. So now I'm doing 10 because 5 times 2 was 10 plus 2 plus 2. So now I say 10 plus 2 is 10. 11, 12, your answer is 12, okay? So now I have an answer of 12 from this section, okay? There's no other numbers to multiply this number by or carry anything else, so I'm just gonna take that whole 12 that I got and place it at the bottom here. I'm not using this row anymore because this row was reserved for this number. This row is for this set of numbers, okay? Or this row is for this number. So now I have I'm going to put a plus symbol right here, plus, so add that on your graphic organizer or do it on a piece of paper, whatever you're doing this on. Now I can just start adding the boxes. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus nothing is 2. 1 plus nothing is 1. So my answer is 1,250. I would type that in on this worksheet. Note where I typed everything in. There's a 0 at the top. Pause this if you need to. All my numbers at the bottom, and then my answer at the bottom, and then I hit check answer, and then it will say, yep, that's it. And then I will submit the answer and go on to the next one. Okay? Note that this is the same as this. All of those numbers are the same in those boxes. Okay? Please rewatch this video if you need more help. If this is still confusing, email me and I can post another video with some more examples. So just let me know. All right. Thank you guys.